Now we are going to study about Kirchhoff's law. It states that the ratio of emissive power E lambda to absorptive power A lambda is the same for all bodies at a given temperature and is equal to the emissive power E lambda of a black body at that temperature. तो E lambda upon A lambda of body is equal होगा A lambda of black body. Explanation. Let us suppose a body placed in an isothermal enclosure. Let dq be the amount of heat energy of range lambda and lambda plus d lambda wavelength incident on unit surface area in 1 second. If A lambda is the absorptive power of the body, the amount of heat absorbed by unit surface area per second will be A lambda dq. The remaining heat energy dq minus A lambda dq will be reflected or transmitted. If E lambda is the emissive power of the body, then the amount of radiation emitted per second per unit area in wavelength range lambda and lambda plus d lambda will be E lambda d lambda. In equilibrium state, the energy radiated by a body must be equal to that received by it. 1 minus A lambda dq plus E lambda d lambda is equal होगा dq फर्स्ट इक्वेशन और A lambda dq किसके इक्वल होगा E lambda d lambda. If the body is perfect black, the absorptive power A lambda equals to 1 and the maximum value of E lambda denoted as E lambda. Therefore, we have dq is equals to E lambda d lambda. On putting in equation 1, we get A lambda E lambda d lambda is equal होगा E lambda d lambda. E lambda is equal होगा E lambda upon A lambda. This result is known as Kirchhoff's law. Conclusions or advantage or results. Kirchhoff's law tells that good absorbers body can be good emitters. When sodium is heated, it emits two lines D1 and D2 of wavelength 5890 angstrom and 5896 angstrom. Is also a good absorber of these two wavelengths. The Fraunhofer dark lines in the continuous spectrum of the sun were successfully explained by Kirchhoff's law. The central glowing mass of sun emits the continuous spectrum, passes through the cooler surroundings atmosphere containing various types of elements like nitrogen, sodium, hydrogen, etc. in the gaseous state. These elements absorb these wavelengths which they can emit at higher temperature. Hence these wavelengths are absent from the sun spectrum and we see dark lines in their places. Stefan Boltzmann law. This law states that the rate of emission of radiant energy by unit area of perfectly black body is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. Thus, E is directly proportional to T raised to power 4 is implies E equal होगा sigma T raised to power 4 where sigma is a constant called as Stefan's constant. The Stefan's law basically related with the emission of radiation only and not to the net loss of heat by the body after exchange with the surrounding. In other words, it usually deals with the amount of heat emitted by the body by virtue of its temperature irrespective of what it received from the surrounding. This law may be extended to represent the net loss of heat and can be expressed as follows. If we consider a black body at absolute temperature T surrounded by another black body at absolute temperature T0, then the net rate of loss of heat energy per unit area of the surface of body is given as E is equals to sigma T raised to power 4 minus T0 raised to power 4. Stefan Boltzmann in 1884 proved it thermodynamically. The value of sigma is 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8 Wm raised to power minus 4 K raised to power minus 4.